Welcome everybody, it's me, your favorite content creator, and today's video is going to be a day in the life of a social media pro, specifically the role of a content creator. I'm going to show you everything a content creator does from beginning to the end. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. So, what is a content creator? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. It's a person who creates content. I create content and I post it to YouTube, for example. Now, what do you need to do that? Well, first you need a camera of some sort, and then you need a SD card that goes into your camera. It's what your camera records onto. You take this out of your camera once you're done. You put this into a computer. You put this onto into editing software, and you edit the video. You can add cool effects, and then you post it to any site you want to. And then you also need a microphone, so you can record your voice pretty good. And of course, you need a computer, a phone, any computing device, or else it's useless, or else the whole thing is kind of useless. You can't forget about additional equipment that you might need being a content creator. This is called a tripod. And then it's a pod. You put your camera on here, and you get to keep it still. You can get in front of it. You can do solo things. If your camera has a flippy screen, you can just flip it around and see yourself if you're close enough, or if your screen is big enough. You also have to think about your set, okay? If you're gonna have a camera, what does your set look like? Is this a beautiful set? If I'm sitting there and I got that beautiful bookshelf behind me, do I like that or not? You got to think about what's behind the camera, or what's in front of the camera rather. What's behind you? How do you look like? How does the aspect of the screen, the resolution, the framing? You want to be very, very easy to look at, or else no one will want to watch you, and that's no good. As a content creator, you want to be watched by everybody. This is a paid software subscription, so you may want to use it if you can, or not if you can't. Create a file. We're going to drag and drop your videos into this panel. Now, it's very important, as I said, to learn how to use your editing software so that you can edit your videos. All softwares have this. This is very important. This is the encoding format. Usually this is H.264 is fine. This depends on the quality of the file, the size of the file, and of course this affects how the video looks, sounds, everything. And then you want to make sure you just export it. I'm gonna go to upload video. If you're using YouTube, then we want to drag our file that we exported. This can take some time, so the video can get rendered. This has been a day in the life of a content creator. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.